And here we go into Cbeebies land. So there's a few new attractions in here. Matilda and Laura have already gone ahead, but I said I'd just come and have a look around, see what's new and what's been done. So I won't focus in on anything too much because there's obviously lots of children around here as well. But as you come in and come to the left, you come towards the Tree Food Tom ride, which I must say is one of the most frustrating rides ever. The queue is always huge. They really don't have very many cars that go on the track, and it's, yeah, one that I wouldn't advise people wait for. Obviously little kids, they're going to want to do it, but there's plenty of other stuff in here as well. So that's the, so it's not Tree Food Tom, Get Set Go Treetop Adventure, that's what it's called. And the wait for that at the minute is 50 minutes, 50. As we come through here, there's a few other things on here, so there's nothing new so far. I think that's all around the other side. So then this here is the Octonauts Coaster. That's a 35-minute wait, but it's suffering from the typical things that I said about the really slow loading and unloading times. And then as we carry around here, this is where they do the shows. So you can see here today they've had Hey DUGGEE live at 12:30 and 3:30, Bing live 10:30, 3:30 and 4:30, and then Teletubbies 11:30, 2:30 and 5:30. And that's all on this like nice grassy, well, say grassy, fake grass area. And I'll stick to the outside. But you can see there the Teletubbies are on stage. Really good as well. There's actually some toilets in this area. I feel like some of the lands, the toilets aren't very well located, but there's some good toilets here. A little snack box as well, which is obviously the captive audience whilst you're here watching the show. And then we're just going to come out of this one and see what is next. So I can see just ahead is the Postman Pat ride, which is basically a guided car ride but in Postman Pat's van. But as I've come out of there, I've turned left instead, and this takes us over to the Goaljetter. So the Goaljetter's ride is it's just loading at the moment, but it's basically like Dumbo if you've ever been to Florida, but in the Goaljetter's car instead. And from there is the new Hey DUGGEE Adventureland. So it is what I thought it is. It's not anything new, they've just rebranded the existing park. Just here is the In the Night Garden boat ride. We've never done that, thankfully. I'm not sure my ears could cope with it, but this place is absolutely heaving. There's a few new bits, but the majority of it isn't new, it's just what was already there. I can see Laura over there as well, so I'll go and find them.
Okay, here we are. So I think this looks like, it definitely does look like where Tree Food Tom used to be, I think. Yeah, this is definitely what used to be Tree Food Tom. They've just like updated it a bit, I think. Made it a bit more friendly. So they've got, this is like Hey DUGGEE's clubhouse. She's up there somewhere, or she's coming up now. Hey, yeah, missus? Are you okay? Are you going down the slide? No? Are you going up to that one? So she's gone right up. She's in the window there. And she's gonna come down this big yellow one here. So this is like at the side of Hey DUGGEE's house. There's quite a few people coming out of it. I can hear her. Yay, that was fun. So how did you get on that round here? Let's see. So this is behind the house. That's quite clever. So there's like a net they can climb up, a rope thing with the wooden things, or just the normal stairs. And then you can either go down the sort of big chunky metal slide, or you can climb up to there and go down that one that Matilda went down. That's clever. Oh, she's now on the jumpy bit here. That's good. I like that. That's fun. So this is all in the brand new Hey Duggee area. This is so cool. Then they've got like stepping stones over there. They've got music things there. Look where you can bang the music. That's clever. Play 4 in a row.
You know the old
There used to be a tree through Tom bit, didn't it, I think? So they've got a little slide there and a little tunnel. The little ones. That's nice. And what's Matilda? What can you go in this here, Matilda? She's gone some. Oh, she's in there. Someone sat on her head. This looks like a little hut, but I think you can actually go in it. Oh, I think you just like press buttons on it and it makes noises and things. That's quite clever. And what else? There used to be like a restrictions all on people coming here. It doesn't look like we're doing that at the minute. I think Matilda, was that always there? That one though, that hut, that was there when it was Tree Food Tom, wasn't it? So that's got the big slide in it. You're 30, Daddy's coming now with a drink. Is this new? This one, or is this here with Tree Food Tom? It was. I think they've just decorated it a bit different, haven't they? Just go up and round. So again, it's got a little slide, a little swingy thing, little things to turn. I feel like this bit might have not been here, I'm not sure. Pirate ship. Oh, you can actually meet Duggee over there, Matilda. Where's she's gone? Oh, she's gone in this one now. Then they've got some little hammocks and things. Matilda! Matilda! You can actually meet Hey Duggee over there. She's like, no, I'm going on this, go away, Mum. But these are new, these little hammocks and the little submarine, that was never here. And you can meet Hey Duggee over there, he stood there waving at everybody. This is so fun. She's just coming down this slide now.
I think she's probably a bit too old for Hey Duggee, but while she's enjoying it, better keep enjoying it. What did you get? You got a little badge? What is it? I met Duggee and earned my big adventure badge. How good is that? Hey Duggee area. Matilda's just playing these drums, but what's the real shame is today's the opening day and each one of these should have been for a drumstick. There is literally one drumstick left and that's been snapped as well. Okay, so I'll take it back. After going in there for a bit, I'd say 90% of it is new rather than 90% old. It is really good actually. Matilda's probably just getting to the upper age limit now, so she won't get much use out of it, but it is really good for the younger kids. Definitely recommend doing that. And then as we come round, this used to be there's still Peter Rabbit, so this is just a little up and downy ride. So there's 2 of those. And even that's got a half hour wait. We do just need to get better at the loading and unloading. This is new, I think, Andy's Dinosaur dig. But I'm not even sure that it's open. It doesn't look to be open, but that's what it looks like. So you go in there and there's all things hidden in that.
So this is Andy's Adventures at Dinosaur Dig. So we're actually in the queue at that. I didn't realise it's like an actual show. Because it's going to start in 5 minutes. So we're just waiting now to be let through. And then we'll see what it's all about.
I didn't realise you had company. I'll get on with this. Okay? Well, I think I've lost the to-do list. Could you help me with what was on?
Of course. There were 3 things on the list.
Okay.
First was, look for fossils at the Outpost excavation site.
Number 1.
Second, put the fossils you find in Jen's fossilator machine to analyse them.
Number 2.
This will identify what type of dinosaur the fossils belong to. Third, use the fossils to build a new exhibit at the museum.
Fantastic. So, number 1, we need to find the fossils. Is that right? Yes. Number 2, we put them in the fossilator for analysis. And number 3, we use that analysis to put in a new exhibit at the museum. Wonderful. Will you explorers help me with this? Fantastic. Fantastic, thank you so much.
I'm glad to hear it, everyone. Thank you, explorers. Have fun.
Oh, thanks, Andy. We will, and don't worry, your outpost is in good hands.
Bye, Jamie. Bye, explorers.
Bye, Andy. Say goodbye, everyone. Wow. A paleontologist inside. Now, a paleontologist is a scientist that digs up and studies dinosaur fossils. Now, we found these discs earlier. Now, what I need you to do is when you find a disc, bring them up one at a time, and we're going to put them in the fossilator. Do you think you can do that for me, explorers? Make sure you look everywhere. Look in the boxes. Look everywhere. Are we ready? Off we go! Here we go. Bring them up one at a time. Straight in there for me. There we go. Lovely stuff. Make sure you
Doesn't open that, I don't think, Matilda.
well done, Megastegosaurus job. Well done. Now the fossilator is going to begin the analysis of all those fossils, and it's going to produce something, maybe a new dinosaur, an old dinosaur. We're not going to know until it finishes that analysis. Oh, that sounded like the dinosaur of a dinosaur. Should we go in and find out? Yeah. Well, I'll follow the everyone.
Hello.
Bye. Hello.
Hello.
Stick with our grown-ups.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't touch it if that's all right. Thank
Oh,
you.
jeez.
There we go. There we are. Let's stick ourselves to the back of the wall if that's all right. There we go. We've got some space over here. We've also got some space just here as well.
Why do you have to stay here?
Because they're going to show us something. Whoa.
That's the treasure.
There we go. We do have some extra space just down here next to the door if you want to bring yourselves just down here. There we go. Wonderful stuff. Now before we get started, bears.
And then, as we walk round, it's literally then just a full circle then. So I'm trying not to film anyone. But we're now round to Justin's house.
You'll just come out of the Jojo and Gran, which is there, and we've come in to, what is it, Mr. Tumble? No. Oh, Justin's Piomatic. So I've actually never been in here before, I don't know why. Oh, actually, a lot of the time it's been shut, hasn't it? I think every time we've tried to come in here, oh, I know what it is now. Matilda has watched this show. Remember, with the robot and stuff. It's running off. Yeah, so it is Mr. Tumble, isn't it, though? I think Justin is Mr. Tumble. Yeah. It's a bit of annoying that you have to snake all the way around. So I think when you get in here, it's a bit like, oh, this is really cool. This is so fun. Wow. So there's like a little slide and a slide over there. There's loads of little slides, Matilda. Got a slide over there, look at that slide. Press the thing to milk it. That's it, it fires up and shoots out. Look at this. And they shoot it out up there. There you go, yeah they did then. And there's like little bunnies up there. Oh, they're all going to fall out now, they can't look. Look there, they're going to come out. There. Oh, loads of little stuff in this game. Here's a little thing in here. This is a lot of fun things there for little children. I didn't realise was here. So obviously you don't have to wait for it either. Well, there can be a queue here, but there's not. So, oh, there's some inside it. I wonder if they pop out and suck up at some point and pop out. Yeah, because they're going to suck up and they're going, oh yeah, there's loads on the top of it. It must blow at some point. But you can go up top there and like fire people. You can actually go down a slide there. This is really fun just to have a run around and have a play. Really cool. So he's gone up there with that. They're shooting at me. Oh, actually hit the phone. Oh my god, it actually smacked the phone. They're firing at me. This is really, really fun then. So like the balls just go everywhere, they go up there, they go go down there, go in little pots over there. Loads of balls all over the floor as well, so you can easily get some. I'm leaving because it's got the fire actually.
And I'm back round to the toy shop and the In the Night Garden land. In Night Garden ride even, so that's a 45-minute ride. I've never done it, but I know it's a little boat ride. From there you've got Jojo and Gran at home.
So this is the brand new Jojo and Gran. So it's Jojo and Gran at home. So it's a bit like the house. So you make a call, make a panda, play in the house. Tilda's playing in the kitchen. Did it open, missus? No. Oh, the cupboard opens. What's in the cupboard? Nothing. Oh, like pictures. That's clever. Oh, you can do little drawings on here, missus. The fridge. Should we see what's in this room? Oh, look, you can go up there and jump on that little bouncy pad, I think. Oh, it's Jojo's treehouse. You can go in the treehouse. It's clever. Are you going down the other side? Woo! There she is. Oh, you can go underneath as well. You can touch Jojo's underneath. It's in this little bit. Matilda, I'm in a maze. Oh, and there's like little holes that they can climb through. Where are you? Look at the little holes to climb through. They're quite cute, aren't they? This is a little cute addition for little ones, just to play in and walk around and have a little nosy. It's quite nice. This is literally it though, it's just this room and a little kitchen room there. There's nothing else in here. But there's little knobs to turn to grow the flowers. Where are you, missus? Oh, you're there. Are you in a puppet show? You're impressed them when they pop up. Oh, it lights up. So they're not pop-ups, you moving them up? Yeah. And then there's stuff under there, but that's quite cute.
That's Laura's toy shop. It's just in here. And then the Little Laura's Lunchbox, that is just a little quick service restaurant. So we ate in there once, it was alright. And finally we are back round again to Postman Pat, and I say it's just a little track car ride. And then you go around in Postman Pat's van. I don't think there's any there to see, but that's Postman Pat's van. There's Postman Pat at the end to say that you're doing your job and you have a little mission. You've got to deliver parcels, and then the In the Night Garden characters are out. Quite a big line for those. And that is Cbeebies land at Alton Towers for 2022.